Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins and tokens of interest. And today we are taking another look at BTC Minetrix. We've already highlighted this one as a scam right in 2023. So the reason why I'm doing this video, I know there's a whole new investors. Maybe they're just you're trying to look for information, trying to see whether this is a good investment or not. Well, I can definitely assure you that it's not a good investment, right? Because this is a scam, right? And I believe this scam is coming from the same people who did BTC20, BTC, Bitcoin ETF, right? Bitcoin 20, Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin BSC, and plenty of other Bitcoin scams, right? These are carefully crafted scams. For example, if you look at Bitcoin Minetrix, right? So you can even see the name itself, Bitcoin Minetrix. They are actually playing Bitcoin tricks, right? So by investing into this one, right, they're actually playing tricks with your money. Because why? They're actually saying that by just virtue of downloading some app, right, and staking this Bitcoin Minetrix, you will be able to mine Bitcoin, right? Right now, the halving is coming this year, 2024, the Bitcoin halving, right? And when that happens, miners, the rewards they get per block are going to reduce, which means they need more power, right? More mining power, and that costs a lot of money, right? In the previous video that I did, those ant miners, some of them are very expensive, thousands of dollars to be able to mine Bitcoin. But these guys are saying you'll be able to just mine Bitcoin from your cell phone and make a lot of money, right? That is not true. Just look at this statement here. One Bitcoin mined in 2013 appreciated 27,300% in 10 years. Bitcoin Minetrix provides hassle-free Bitcoin mining for the next 10 years. Buy BTC MTX today for as little as 0.010129, right? So this is how they're trying to lure investors into buying into this, right? And there are several websites that are actually promoting this scam, right? So it's a carefully crafted scam, just like any of these other Bitcoins, right? Because as an investor, you will never really realize that you've been scammed. Only after a very, very long time, that's when you see that this was actually a scam, right? Why do we say that? Because you go and buy Bitcoin Minetrix today, right? You've got your Bitcoin Minetrix, and then they say stake them, right? You stake them. You're never going to realize that you've been scammed. And then once you've staked those Bitcoin Minetrix, I haven't actually checked whether the app is out or not. Then they say you are able now to start mining. But guess what? When you start to mine these Bitcoins, what are you going to be getting back, right? You'll be able to get BTC, but how much of it are you going to be able to get? And in the quantity that you're able to get, is it actually quite substantial? Well, it's not, right? So that's something that you only realize down the line. That's how this scam is crafted. You are really not going to be able to mine these Bitcoins, and you will be able to mine, but guess what you get is next to nothing, right? And the price of BTC Minetrix itself will go down, right? Currently, we can see the current price point there is 10129. That's the current price point right here. The moment this thing goes live or it launches, and a lot of people are actually realizing that this is a scam, they're going to start to cash out, right? And when that happens, the price is going to drop to maybe 50% of what you've bought it. And a lot of people, once it's, imagine you've invested $1,000, the price has gone down 50%. You now have got $500. A lot of people will be hoping that maybe it's going to go back to the $1,000 and then I'll cash out. But that will never happen, right? It will just continually go down, right? And then after a couple of months, everybody has forgotten about Bitcoin Minetrix and they just open up another Bitcoin scam, as they already have done. There was Bitcoin 20, there was Bitcoin ETF, there was Bitcoin BSC, right? Even browsers are flagging Bitcoin BSC as a scam, right? Pinching website. And there is even green Bitcoin, another scam also that have been started. So no doubt, even right now, there should be another Bitcoin scam that they have already started, right? So this one is a scam, right? So a lot of people ask me, so how do you really actually make money in crypto? Well, in my opinion, there are only two ways to make money in crypto. One, just go, if you're just starting out, go and buy, just check out the top 50 tokens on CoinMarketCap, right? Buy something that resonates with you from there, right? Currently, we have some bullish momentum in crypto, right? But in a bear market, you can go and buy any of the top 50 tokens. When we are in a bull market, you sell them. For example, one of my favorite cryptos, AVAX, during the bear market, it was somewhere around $11 per token. Currently, I think I saw it went all the way up to around $35, right? That's almost a 2x, right? That's one way to make money. The other way is to actually trade crypto, which is something that I'm resuming on the channel for the members. You have to join channel memberships if that's something that resonates with you. But it's not a get rich quick scheme. The learning curve is quite steep, right? You have to start out with this minimal amount, let's say $10, $20, right? Make all the mistakes with that and all that, and you learn how to actually make money in crypto that way. The easiest, obviously, just check the top 50, invest during a bear market. When the price appreciates, you sell. That's it, right? And also, if you want to wise up against these scammers, there is the Big Brain Crypto Ego Logbook, right? It allows you to actually log 70 pre-sales, just like Bitcoin Minetrix, Bitcoin20, Bitcoin ETF, and plenty of other pre-sales out there, right? So the first page of this book is a hardcover book on Amazon. The link is in the description, right? So it allows you to track 70 pre-sales, and for each and every token or pre-sale, there are 2 pages for logging. The first page, right, that's where you just collect pertinent information about the token. For example, the token name, pre-sale start date, pre-sale end date, website, supply, top 10 holders percentage, some notes, right? And also the scam or legit evaluation. You check, is the team doxed, right? Is their LinkedIn verified, pre-sale contract. So if, for example, if there is no team, right, that's a problem, right? I believe like for Bitcoin Minetrix, there was some sort of people behind it or something like that, right? And also when the pre-sale actually launches, you can also track the price of the pre-sale, the price movement, right, with the date and all that. And also if you decide to invest into it, right, you can actually also note down the amount you've invested, the price you bought, how many tokens you have, and your profit and loss, and also the emotions that you had when you were buying that crypto, some notes. And also on page 2, you've got extra notes of things that you can just jot down that you are just interested in, that are happening in the project. For example, what are people talking about in the Telegram group, right? What are some of the announcements that are coming out of X, their Twitter, right? And also adoption tracking, very important, right? Because the way that you're going to be able to find the next paper is by tracking adoption. Is the adoption actually organically increasing? For example, Bitcoin Minetrix, you can check out their X, how many people are on X, how many people are actually watching their posts, same as Telegram, right? So that's one way you can wise up against these scammers, right? You can just grab yourself the Big Brain Crypto Ego Logbook on Amazon and just change your game, right? So definitely this one is a scam. This was just an update video, right, that I'm doing for this one, right? If you really are desperate to buy this, me, I would never buy Bitcoin Minetrix for the sake of mining Bitcoin. I might buy it on an exchange for the sake of just trading it, right? But never to mine Bitcoin. That's something that I'll never ever do, because when you buy to fall into their story of 2013, you're going to appreciate 27,300 in 10 years and all that, it's a scam, right? But if the token is on an exchange and the price movement is quite volatile, up and down, you can trade the token and make some money, right? But never ever buy for this narrative that they are showing here on their website. So this is just an update video I wanted to do. Let me know what you think down there in the description. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.